Mr. President, living in harmony with nature has been in Nagoya Consensus. Indonesia works hard to protect life support system, preserve biodiversity, and sustainably utilize resources. In the COVID-19 pandemic, we are racing against time to cope with a very fast global spread. For Indonesia, the One Health approach consisting of healthy environment, healthy animals, and healthy people is proper to the present condition. Indonesia has designated around 66 million hectares out of 120 million hectares of forest areas, or 35% of the 190 million hectares land area, and designated more than 23 million hectares sea as protected areas. Indonesia is also bringing up function of 1.34 million hectares of high conservation value forest within concession areas and consolidating the fragmented habitats for species survival. Indonesia has increased the population of several endangered species, including the Javan rhino, Sumatran elephant, Sumatran tiger, and the Bali myna. Indonesia has developed 3 types of bioprospection: the anti-frost bacteria isolate, anti-cancer, and mushroom of high economic value. Bioprospecting is an attempt as a nature-based solution to mankind's problems, including as a community-based economic mover to recover from the crisis. A great support from people participation through community-based conservation and policies on local wisdom as guided by ministerial regulation are particular means. I emphasize, by all those mechanisms, the local people in Indonesia is provided with access and involved in the social forestry. Let's take this moment together to first build a post-2020 cooperation framework by taking into account mutual benefits, including support for developing countries through resource mobilization and technology transfer. Second, encourage and utilize protected areas as environmentally sound economic growth centers such as for ecotourism, forest bathing, forest healing, and development of medicinal plants and other genetic resources. These are implemented through fair and equitable benefit sharing mechanism, which appreciate the knowledge and local wisdom on biodiversity information and genetic materials. And lastly, strengthen the implementation of other global agendas such as the 2030 Agenda and the Paris Agreement. We have to always make the earth a favorable place for all things living in harmony. Thank you.